Hey guys, so there are two ways how you can possibly fix the issue if your Xbox Cloud gaming screen is tearing, and what you can try to do. So person wrote here, what I did, I bought an Ethernet cable and Cat6 cable, playing with the cable. It improved by 90%. So this is the first thing that you can try to do to improve actually the connection. The second thing a person wrote here, look here. After some playing around on PC, I did find a fix for app and no, it's not your internet. Open Task Manager. Then when you're going to be in Task Manager, so here you're going to be in Task Manager, then you're going to find where is Task Manager? Oh, it's lagged. So what you have to do is right click on the Xbox app, go to details, right click Xbox PC app, set affinity, uncheck all CPUs express the top Bosman, problem goes away. So the app is having extremely poor multi-thread optimization. So this is something that you want to do. So you're just looking for the Xbox app, and then you would go to the details of it. Maybe I will just try like this. I can't find it because I don't have right now the Xbox app here. So right click, open as right click Xbox app. Oh, here, oh, I know how it's done. So you're gonna go to details, you're gonna find the Xbox PC app, and then you're gonna set affinity, and then you're gonna uncheck everything except the topmost one. So try it out, maybe it's going to fix it.